This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law. No one is above the law, not even the President of the United States.
President Joe Biden unveiled his plan for 3 bold reforms for the Supreme Court in an alleged attempt to restore trust and accountability to the court and our democracy. Biden's first proposal calls for a constitutional amendment titled the No One is Above the Law Amendment, which would make clear that there is no immunity for crimes a former president committed while in office. Biden also proposed term limits on the Supreme Court, suggesting 18-year terms so that the new justice may be appointed every 2 years. Under his 3.5 years in the White House, Biden has only had the chance to nominate 1 justice to the Supreme Court, while his predecessor, former President Donald Trump, has had 3 appointments. Biden also called the current ethics code weak and self-enforced, while calling for a stronger ethics code that would make justices required to disclose gifts, refrain from public activity, and recuse themselves from cases in which they or their spouses have financial or other conflicts of interest. Vice President Kamala Harris has forcefully backed President Joe Biden's Supreme Court reforms, citing a crisis of confidence on the country's highest court. In the course of our nation's history, trust in the Supreme Court of the United States has been critical to achieving equal justice under law, Harris wrote in a statement. Harris's statement references the Supreme Court's repeal of abortion precedent Roe v. Wade through Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization and its findings that a president has immunity from criminal prosecution over official acts, among other opinions rendered by the 6-3 Republican-appointed majority. It also references concerns regarding, for instance, Justice Clarence Thomas receiving gifts from Republican mega-donor Harlan Crow, a Texas billionaire, including paying for holidays, his mother's house, and a nephew's tuition payments. Harris described the reform proposals as popular, contending they will help to restore confidence in the court, strengthen our democracy, and ensure no one is above the law.